Namaste to all of our viewers and audience. Today I came with another new, thrilling, exciting episode. And today we have a question. Guruji, to our very beloved Guruji, Sri Amitabh Ji. Guruji, we have a question today. The question is, how can we get better environment in our houses and offices?
See, to have a better environment in your houses and offices, there is many things we have to do. First of all, I must say one thing. In case of house and offices, whenever we think about the good environment, we must start with the door, the main door with the house or offices. If the house, the door of the house should be very much clean, neat, it should be neat and clean, and the outside of the door there should be a Om written over it, or there is many say sign we get in the different Vasthu showrooms. A copper Om is very good, and two swastik must be kept on the inside of the doors, so it will be very good. And secondly, we can do one thing. We can keep a mountain, water mountain. It is good to keep it on the north wall, near the northern side, and it will bring the prosperity, happiness, and will also improve the condition of the environment of the house or office. And another thing I must say, that we have to be very careful. The flow of water should be inside to the house or the offices in the mountain. Third, I must say one thing. In every office and in every houses, the color of the wall should be done according to the rule of the Vasthu. You know, in case of Vasthu, the color should be done different color, different fixed color is there, should be paint on different side of the office or the house. And then comes, if you can keep, say in case of office, money plant, it will also bring prosperity, it will improve the business environment or domestic environment of the place. Then comes the, say, there shouldn't be any clutter. Okay, I just want to tell you one thing. In case of office or in case of house, the clutter or storing some unused item, that the electronics goods which is not well, which is not in working position, keeping all these things may even increase the chances of accidents of the family member or the office people, those are in office. And it also increase the positive vibration, and also decrease the working capability in the office. And in case of in a house, this keeping this kind of clutters and all, it have some negative influences, negative energies spread within the house or the office, and the mental problem comes up, the people living in the house.
I have another question for our audience. Especially, there are some people they cannot afford expensive changes in a house or office. Let's say, for example, we have a client and he has an office, and that office has lot of rooms and toilets, things like that. So toilets place has to be changed. In that case, it is really expensive. So is it really possible for particularly that person or anyone?
I'm coming to that point only. So what I am talking about that clutter and all. So I have told that you have to remove all the clutters, and you have asked one very good question. When a toilet is not in a proper direction or position, what we can do. It is not possible to demolish that thing and again rebuild the toilet or that thing. So in that case we have few remedies, of course. And going back to that matter, the main thing that how we can increase the good environment of the office, we have to close the door of the office every time after using the the toilet, after using the toilet. And now answering to your question, that what we can do if the toilet is not in the proper side or proper corner or proper place in the office. So we have some remedies for that. We do some keeping some salt, common salt in the toilet will be helpful. And we also have some we make some yantra. You know what is yantra? Yantra is something, some special kind of structure we build. This structure of this thing, that's yantra, always have some specified energies or special energies that removes the negative thing of that bathroom or toilet, whatever you say, which is in the wrong side in the office.
So that means in case of any changes in house or any building or any kind of office location, like it is also possible that there is some other substitute ways through
there
which
is
a
always
person
there
can...
is always a remedy, okay. But we have to see the particular office or the house where the washroom or toilet is in a wrong position. We have to check it out. We have to consider other possibilities, and then we can give a very proper remedy. At least 80 to 90%, not 90%, actually 70 to 80% improvement will be there after doing the remedy.
That's a great solution. So many people have a misconception regarding this, that that Vasthu work or Vasthu consultancy is only affordable for rich people. That is not true.
That is not true. And I must say one thing. I just can remember one thing, that how to increase the good environment in an office or in a house. Maybe it is not possible in case of office, but if you give some smoke of camphor and also some smoke of together camphor and soft together, the smoke that generated from the smoke from that camphor and snuff, that smoke will have a very good energy level. It will increase the energy level. And in our Hindu system, if you give smoke, if you just create some smoke of camphor and snuff, and if you offer this smoke to the Lord Ganesha, it brings definitely good fortune to you.
Okay, that's really good. So really nice suggestions for all of our audience and clients all across the India and all across the world. Also we have clients from Europe and North America and other places. Now I have another question to you, that apart from like these things, like when a person own his own house or office, he can alter the changes. But let's say for example one student is studying in a university, or one person is working in a company, so he cannot alter or change any Vastu related things inside his office.
Someone who is working in a company,
yes.
How
So
he
in that
can
case,
improve?
Yes.
See, in that case, I must tell you one thing. When you're looking for prosperity, what we want to do it better. We need to focus on our performance. If our performance is good, we only can get proper result, or the student can get proper marks, good marks, and the person who is working can get promotion.
Okay.
So in that case, I can tell you one thing. In case of a person who is working in an office, he just can keep a paperweight which may be made up of, say, black thermolite. Keeping a black thermolite paperweight, that paperweight will be kept on the table, so it will be with you at your workstation. So that will improve your performance, your relationship with your boss, your relationship with your colleague, and definitely when your performance will be improved and your relationship with other people working in the office will be improved, then definitely the promotion will be there.
Okay, thanks a lot for today's video. I will request all of our audience.
But
to
I missed one thing.
Yep.
Sorry to interrupt you. I must tell you how a student can get this kind of benefit.
Okay, yes,
Okay.
yes.
A student, see, if student can do study, I guess a student has that liberty. When he is not working in an office,
Yes.
he must have to face towards north first. Facing north, when you're doing something, facing north, studying or working or anything, it is always very good. You can concentrate properly, you can do your best, you will be more energized, and your performance definitely get better and better day by day.
That's good. So we provided solutions related to the working professionals as well as the housewives as well as the students, or if you are a businessman, you can also get suggestions from our Guruji, and we have our special YouTube channel, that is the White Yogi, and after 6 months we will launch another 3 new channels for our project. So please, I request all of our audience to watch, share and like the video, as well as click the bell button of our YouTube channel.
Actually, you must tell one thing. Tell our audience one thing, that we are going to launch a channel which will be related to our health.
Definitely, the health channel will be next venture
Here.
from our side, and it is in the pipeline. So please wait for all of these things, and I will request all of you to stay glued and stay connected with our channel, because lots of things are coming up for the future. So thanks for today's episode, and I request all of you to just share, like and subscribe our channel, and you put your valuable comments and suggestions, and don't forget to call us for the appointment, and you can send your details, birth details, including place of birth, date of birth and your time of birth, to generate your horoscope details and for your own remedy. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.